Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. أو أزل أو أزل أو أظلم أو أظلم. Or I slip or I am made to slip by others, or I do wrong or I be wronged. So we start with أو أزل. أزل means I slip. Zalla means he slipped. Azilla or I slip. أو أزل or I am made to slip. This is again passive voice. Okay, I slip. Azilla أو أزل or I am made to slip by others. أو أظلم or I do wrong. أو أظلم or I be wronged. Now أظلم is from ظلم. ظلم occurs in the Quran, in different forms, more than almost 237 times. So let us practice. ظلم means he wronged. He did ظلم. ظلم. Can you repeat after me the three verb keys and the three noun keys? ظلم يظلم اظلم. ظلم يظلم اظلم. ظالم مظلوم ظلم. ظالم مظلوم ظلم. Okay, أو أظلم أو أظلم, or I do wrong or I be wronged. Azilla أو أزل means, oh Allah, let me not slip into committing any evil deed knowingly or unknowingly, and let no one cause me to slip. أظلم أو أظلم, oh Allah, let me not harm anyone in any way, in his body, honor, money, or rights. Let no one harm me either. Committing a sin is also a dhulm against one's own self. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum